This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Here you can pretty much go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. They do have 3 servers which are available. You have Netherlands, you have Switzerland, and you have Germany. Over this section here, we'll be able to use these premium servers. You're going to need a subscription to use those. And as well, very easy to connect. Once you select any one of 3 free servers, you'll be able to connect in no time. All you have to do is tap on this option here. We'll ask for connection. May ask for connection request. Just tap on OK. We will start connecting. As you can see here, it's connected already. So very easy to use. Although they do give you a 2-hour connection auto disconnect option here, as you can see here. You won't be able to add any time, which I think is very bad. As you can see here, you only have 2 hours of connection time. Anyways, you do get the option to purchase a subscription. As you can see here, you do get a free trial option as well. You can tap on this option here to get the 3 days free trial. And this is pretty much what to be getting as it relates to your subscription. So once you do get your subscription, you won't have any time limits or anything like that. So as you can see here as well, your prices as it relates to your subscription, a weekly and a monthly subscription. So that's pretty much it for this speaking application here. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you.